Gente, aqui é muito legal, é muito bonito aqui. Olha, gente. Aqui é muito bonito. Aí tem um lugar que as pessoas sentam aqui, entendeu? Tipo uma praça. Ali tem ciclovia. Olha a ciclovia, gente. É bem bonito. Olha os prédios. E, né, gente? Olha a ciclovia aqui. Olha ali outro lado ali. Ali é o bairro Black. Só sentam aqui para relaxar. Yeah, Rotterdam is beautiful place. It is beautiful place. Rotterdam is beautiful city, you know. I like this city, you know. I like Rotterdam. I live there. I live over there. There is island, North Island. There's island. Look, beautiful. Beautiful place. I like this place. You can sit there, you can sit here and relax. Relax. You can here relax. Sit, drink, take photo, take picture. You can take picture, video. Beautiful place in Rotterdam. There is black neighborhood. There is black neighborhood there, over there. You can see the building. Very beautiful place. I like this place, you know. Rotterdam is a beautiful city, you know. Look, this is bus, water bus. This is a water bus. You know. You can go from here to Utrecht. You can go to Utrecht with this bus, water bus. Water bus. Beautiful. Very beautiful. I like it. No? Beautiful place. I like this, you know. I like this view. You can see the bridge. This is a head bridge. From here you can go to the island. It's good. Very good. I will show you a little bit. People over there. People over there. Can you see the building? Beautiful. Nice. I like it, you know. Today I'm gonna show you a little bit of Rotterdam city. I'm in Rotterdam. I'm gonna show you a little bit of Rotterdam. Rotterdam is a beautiful city, you know. Look, beautiful. I like it. Olha aqui, pessoal, muito bonito aqui. Os prédios. Tem esse aqui, esse lado aqui. Os prédios aqui. Olha, gente, é bonito. É bonito demais, ó. Olha esse lado aqui, ó. Look, beautiful. Beautiful place. Beautiful place. Look. Boat, the building, water. Perfect. Muito bonito, gente. Um lugar muito bonito. Beautiful place. Águas, os navios, os prédios, tudo muito bonito. Os prédios altos. Look, the building, the river, the boat, the building. Beautiful. Everything is beautiful. Beautiful place. I like this city. I like this place. You know, the water. Look, the water. The color of the water. The boat, building, nice. The building, beautiful. Beautiful place. I like this place, you know. You can see over there, look. There's a university, Rotterdam University. Hogeschool. Mooi, prachtig, echt mooi. Prachtig. Rotterdam is prachtig. Mooi stad, echt mooi stad. Zie je die boot, die water, die kanaal. Echt mooi. Mooi. Kijk daar. Look over there. Beautiful place. The bridge, small bridge there. There's a small bridge. People walk there. This is a small house. Small boat. Small house there. Boat. Look this building. Haven't stayed there. It's beautiful place. I like this. Now I'm going to Rotterdam North. We gaan naar Rotterdam North. Ik ga even naar Rotterdam North. Mooi. Echt mooi. Mensen lopen daar. Ik zie maanden lopen daar. Kijk. Zo. Haha. Beautiful place. Echt mooi. I like Rotterdam, you know. Rotterdam is good. I like Rotterdam. Ik hou veel van Rotterdam. Veel. Echt mooi stad. Prachtig. Rotterdam is prachtig. Rotterdam is beautiful. See, beautiful building. Nice building. River, boats, water. Everything is nice. In Rotterdam, everything is nice. Beautiful. Here you can drink something, coffee. You can eat. Over there. Look, there's black. I'm going to black. I'm going to the black. There's black neighborhood. There. I'm going to the black. Just like that. Nice. Ga even naar black. Black is ook mooi. Muito bonito, gente. Tô indo para Black. Black é um bairro muito bonito também. Black também é um bairro muito bonito, olha, gente. Tô indo para Black. Now I'm in Black. This is Black neighborhood. Now I'm in Black. There's a train station over there. You know, look the building. This is Marktal. Beautiful place. This is deze is Marktal. Ga even lopen. Ik ga mijn trein pakken. Ik ga tram pakken. Ik moet naar Rotterdam Noord. Ik moet even naar Rotterdam Noord. Kijk, zo mooi. Look, beautiful. Ga even daar naartoe. Look, this is Marktal. It's beautiful inside. Binnen is, Marktal is ook mooi. Echt mooi van binnen. Perfect. Perfect. Nee, ga naar deze kant. Hier is Black train station. Black train station. Rotterdam Black. Look, Rotterdam Black. This is Rotterdam Black. You can take your train to Amsterdam, then wherever. Look there. The side. And look there. There's Marktal. There's market. There you can buy everything you want. There, over there.
I will cut some
And look this. Okay. Look at the building, beautiful building. Nice. I like that. Look there. Beautiful also. Look this. It's beautiful. Muito bonito, gente. Muito bonito aqui, ó. Rotterdam é muito bonito, gente. Rotterdam is beautiful. Look, black is beautiful. I like this place. I like Rotterdam Black. This is Rotterdam Black. I like this place. Beautiful building. There's Marktal. You can go inside to visit. It's beautiful place also. I like this place. You know, you can buy everything you want over there in the market. Okay, look this place. Look the bicycle. 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 Bicycle shop. A lot of bicycles. A lot of bicycles. Hello guys, now I'm in Rotterdam Black and I'm going north of Rotterdam. Look. Today is no cold. I think now it's 6 or 7 degrees. It's no cold. I'm going north of Rotterdam. Beautiful place also. Look. Here's market. You can buy everything you want. Second hands. You can buy food. You can buy fast food, clothes, everything. Pants, t-shirt, shoe, everything you can buy. So, buy over there. So. Look this place. See? Look this place. So, look. Açaí, gente. Açaí bowl, sanduíche. Look, price. breakfast and lunch all day. Niche. Very good. Look, beautiful. I like it. Gente, muito bonito aqui. Eu gosto disso, gente. Muito bonito, gente. Eu gosto disso. Moi. Rotterdam is not so clean. I don't think Rotterdam is a clean city, but it's beautiful city, you know. Very beautiful city. Not so clean, I think, but it's beautiful. Look. Muy bonito. Muy bonita ciudad. Muy bonita. Muy bonita. Muy, gente. Rotterdam is mooi. Prachtig. Rotterdam is prachtig. Aqui tá limpo, gente. Tem lugar que é limpo, tem lugar que é sujo. It's very clean. You can see it's clean, beautiful. You can go, no problem. You can go, no problem. Bicycle. We like bicycle. Everybody like bicycle. Look, beautiful place. Hello guys, today I'm showing you my city, Rotterdam city. I will show you my neighborhood. This is not my neighborhood. This is Rotterdam North. I'm gonna show you a little bit of Rotterdam North. If you like it, like this video, subscribe. My name is Tony. I live in Netherlands. I like this country, beautiful country. Netherlands is good country. I live here, I work here, I do everything here. This is my country. This is my everything, you know. Follow me on YouTube because we are together, you know. Pessoal do Brasil, me segue aqui no YouTube porque aqui sempre tem conteúdo, sempre tem vídeo, sempre mostro aqui as coisas. O que você quer saber do Holanda, eu mostro aqui as curiosidades. E vamos nessa, pessoal. Olha esse prédio aqui, pessoal. Aqui nesse canal vai ter conteúdo em inglês, em francês, em holandês, em português, em todos os idiomas. You know? Bom, pessoal, chegamos aqui em Rotterdam Norte. Aqui é o norte da cidade de Rotterdam. Chegamos aqui em Rotterdam Norte. Entendeu? Aqui é Rotterdam Norte. E eu vou mostrar para vocês um pouco de Rotterdam Norte. You know? This is Rotterdam Norte. Now I'm in Rotterdam Norte. And I will show you a little bit of Rotterdam Norte. If you have never been in Rotterdam, this video is for you, you know. I'm gonna show you. This is a good place. I like this place also. Eu conheço isso tudo, pessoal. Vou mostrar para vocês aqui. Rotterdam é uma cidade que eu conheço muito bem. A minha cidade, vou mostrar para vocês tudo aqui. Eu moro aqui. I live here in Rotterdam. I will show you a little bit of Rotterdam North today. Let's go. Hello guys, I arrived in Rotterdam North. Now I'm in Rotterdam North, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of Rotterdam North. Let's go. Look, you can charge your car here. This side, left side and right side. Here you can charge your car, and this side, you know, this side and that side. You can charge your car, you know. Aqui você pode carregar o seu carro desse lado ou desse lado aqui. This is Rotterdam North. I'm in Rotterdam North now. I arrive in Rotterdam North right now. Look, this is a small train. Esse é o trem pequeno, gente. Esse é o trem pequeno, gente. Let's go. Vamos passear um pouquinho aqui, Rotterdam Norte. Não. Let's go. Tem essa ponte aqui. Look this bridge, the small bridge. This is a small bridge, you know. Look. Look the river. This is the river. This is a small bridge, you know. Small bridge. This is a small bridge, you know. And there's the river. The sun. Look the sun. Very good weather today. Look, sun, river. Now it's 7 degrees, I think. I don't know. Look, beautiful. Beautiful place, you know. Very beautiful. Look this place. People sit. Look. Hello guys, good afternoon. My name is Tony. I live in Netherlands, and now I'm gonna show you Netherlands street foods. Netherlands street food. Shawarma, Turk shawarma, pizza. Where have I don't know. Look. This is a good place. This place beautiful. Yeah. Você deve perguntar, Tony, quanto custa para comer aqui na Holanda na rua? Tony, how much cost to eat in Netherlands? Street food. How much cost street food in Netherlands? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna eat there. Bakkerij Avrasia. I'm gonna eat there. There they sell. There you can buy Turks pizza and shawarma. Here you can buy drink. If you want to drink something, you can buy there. Energy or malt or whatever you want. Fanta, cola, and there also. But it's cheaper than there. But food on there. Ja, meenemen. Nee, gelijk eten. Gelijk eten. Ik heb een kittenhekje. Dan lekker eten. Kom zo lekker eten. Aqui, pizza, pizza. This, pizza, this. Olha o que tem aqui, pessoal. Look at this. Bom pessoal, comprei uma pizza. I bought pizza with chicken and energy drink. Energy is 150 and pizza is €6. It's not so expensive. I bought there. Bom pessoal, comprei uma pizza €6 e uma bebida €1,50. Vamos provar como é que é. I paid pizza, I paid €6, energy I paid €1,50. €6. Pizza with chicken. Nice. Delicious. Delicious. Very good. I like it. Gente, muito gostoso, muito bom. Pizza com galinha. Muito bom. Carne de galinha. Pizza with chicken. Very delicious. I like it. Muito bom. Very good. Lecker, lecker. Delicious. Delícia. Lecker. Very good. I like it. Olha aqui, pessoal. Look fried. This is fried. Aqui é fruta, pessoal. You can buy your fried here. Pode comprar sua fruta aqui. E ali, comida. There is street food. There are street food. You can buy there. Comida de rua na Holanda é ali que você compra. Pizza, shawarma. Vamos comer ali então.